Hello and welcome to Dunstaffnage Castle. It's right up on the top coast above Oban. I'm going to take you for a little walk.
A lady taking a
She's doing
selfie
selfies and she's on video as we do it. Yeah. So, there's the castle. And up the steps we go. Do you want to go first, Ness?
Yes, I'll go first in case I fall, then I fall on you.
Right, up the steps. Very carefully.
Does my bum look big in this?
Oh look, there's Ness's bum. Yeah.
It should be smaller than it used to be.
It is a lot smaller than it used to be. Ness has lost over 2 stone now.
Mind you, I put a few on since we've been here, so...
Yeah, well, we've got a lovely view just out to our right. Let's carry on up and up the steps.
And into the castle.
And into the castle. There's the big castle doors.
Ooh.
And in we go.
Guard chamber.
Ooh.
Dark in there.
Dark in that little one. Well, it's not dark in my camera. That is a guard chamber. Right. Let's go through the doorway to the main castle.
Ooh. Bit puffed now.
You puffed?
A little bit puffed.
Oh wow.
Ooh, look.
Yeah. There's a little bit of information across here. We'll just go across to the board, get the information. We've got to go back to on ourselves in a moment. Justice and joviality. Little bit of reading information on there. I'm not going to read it out. You can read that yourself.
Oh. Another tower there.
Yes, North Tower to my right.
Very noisy pigeon up on the
Yeah.
roof. Well,
What is that pigeon doing?
I said up on the roof. There isn't a roof, it's on the wall.
Yeah, there is no roof. That is the roof, is the sky.
Oh. Mind the stones in the grass.
This is the well.
Oh. I'm in the kitchen.
And this has gone into this little part. This is the kitchen.
Yeah, I'm in the kitchen.
This is in the kitchen. Kitchen fireplace.
Why has it got 1971 on?
I think that's when it was repaired in 1971.
When it was rebuilt.
Yes. So this is the kitchen part.
Very interesting.
There's a little bit of... That's interesting there, and that's a fireplace. Obviously on the next floor up, originally.
Yes.
Another
Well, the kitchen was
fireplace.
quite
Sorry?
low. The kitchen would have been quite low.
Yeah,
mind
the
you,
roof would have been quite low, it's not very high.
Mind you, this ground might have been built up.
And another fireplace just there. So if you imagine that, and I'm sort of touching the fireplace there, but like Ness said, this ground's probably been made up and it was probably a lot lower than it is, but there's another fireplace there for the kitchen, so it won't have been made up a great amount.
Maybe they were little. Well, people were smaller in those days, weren't they?
They were, yes.
In the olden days.
Olden days, people
Days of yore. Oh, pigeon just come out the fireplace, the kitchen fireplace.
Oh. Yeah, in the olden days they were smaller. Gatehouse was built around 1500, replacing an earlier entrance. It is 2 upper floors were added to a century later. Right, okay. So let's go up these big steps up here onto the top. Up to the gatehouse on Wall Walk. So that area is the kitchen. Oh, let's just...
This is the dwelling house here.
The dwelling house, built in 1725 on the site of...
13th century Northwest Range.
Well, I'm going to have a little walk up here before we go up those wooden steps. Let's just have a look up here, see what's up here.
You've got the well to the right there.
Yeah. Now this just gives us an upper view of what... Oh, look, there's me. Hello. So that would have been the upper floor of the building here,
Oh, hello, pigeon.
above the kitchen.
There's a pigeon up there.
Yeah. Pigeons are having a great time round here. Pigeons everywhere, and a jackdaw. Right, let me take you back down.
Go round me.
Yeah, I'm going round this. There's the well.
Treat
right
me
below
like a
us.
roundabout.
That's the gatehouse. And there's an upper walk, which we're going to go up there now, up the steps.
I'll let those people go first.
Yes, we'll let them have a wander up first before we wander up. Let's go down.
I think those pigeons are feeling fruity.
Yes, time of year. There's a walkway here which is locked. There's some scaffolding, can't get through there. Little bit of an information board just here. Let's have a look at this information board here. The core of the castle. There we are. Courtyard was the heart of a busy, well-defended community at one time. There was a drawbridge to stop uninvited visitors from getting in, which is quite normal on most castles.
Yeah.
Castle in the early 1500s was not a fortress, it was a home of the ruling family. But do we know what the ruling family was? No, we don't at the moment. One of the clans, obviously, but which clan, we don't know.
We'll find out, no doubt.
Okay, let's go up the steps, up the wooden hill.
Well, there was a point where Robert the Bruce actually laid siege to the castle, so they weren't Ravi supporters.
No, right, up the wooden hill we go. Do you want to go first?
No, you can go first, it's all right.
Up the steps.
I'll be slower than you.
Yes. Well,
Not as slow as I used to be.
no. Getting the views as we go up. Oh, let's have a look in here. What have we got here?
It's the tower.
Oh, we got some...
Oh no.
That would have been the steps originally up,
Yeah, I don't
up the
think
tower, but you can't go up there anymore
I wouldn't want to.
because the tower doesn't exist now.
This is the basement of the tower.
Yes.
Would have been used as a prison. The upper floors were used as private chambers.
There we go. We've got some modern concrete lintels holding it all together there, keeping it stable.
Yes, so this area was the prison.
And that's the prison.
Yeah.
And the upper floors would have been private chambers,
Private chambers upstairs.
which is up there in the sky. Right, ooh, knees. Let's have a look through the window. Oh, there's not much to see, only a tree. I can't
Yeah.
see anything out there, so
No,
originally those trees wouldn't have been there, obviously.
that block of wood wouldn't have been there either, holding the window up.
No. Up we go, more up the steps.
Certainly works your knees.
Yes, it is a good workout. Now we're going up. We'll get the views to my left as we go up. There we are.
Oh, wow.
Yes,
Oh,
terrific
wow.
views up here. Mountains all around us. Completely surrounded. Got the water below, which is actually part of the sea.
Mm.
A hidden haven. Oh, we look, got a Viking ship here. For several hundred years, Norway's kings ruled Scotland's northern and western isles. To rule their territory from the Hebrides to the Isle of Man. The mighty Somerled was the last of these great warlords. His descendants, the MacDougals,
Aha.
took sides alternately with the Norwegian and Scottish kings until the Treaty of Perth in 1266 granted the western seaboard to Scotland.
Aha.
There we are. And with that, I think we'll come to the end of this particular video.
We'll be straight back on it.
And we'll be straight back on and we'll finish with that view.
Absolutely
and then
stunning.
We'll carry on with our walk, otherwise the video is going to be too long. And we'll carry on with part 2. So if you like what you see, click the like.
And subscribe.
And we'll see you in part 2.
Bye.
Bye.